It's May 5th. It's 5:41 p.m. The storms are supposed to be out of the area. Boy, that really looks dark back in there. I'm raking the yard. I got a couple piles. I've already raked that part yesterday. Well, I still got that piece to do yet. And this piece. And that piece. And that piece. And I think that's about it. I just wanted to show you the sky. I thought that looked really crazy. Well, it's 5:48. That's not the sun. I don't know what that light source is. I think it's just clouds, but you see that? It's got like a... I don't know what the light source is. Because the sun's over here, behind this tree, behind that hill. I mean, it's up higher than what this is what I'm trying to say. The sun is lighting this up, not this. Is what I'm trying to say. Where the sun is positioned, if the sun's lighting that up, it should be lit up somewhere else through there, and look, it's not. Yeah, it's clouds, but there's a light source that's bouncing off those clouds is what I'm trying to tell you. This is from the sun. That is not, because there's no other light source for it, see? Not where the sun is. The sun's back in there. It's up higher. See what I'm saying? This is from the sun. That's what I'm trying to say. But, I don't know. You decide.